What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got cases from Jasbon for the iPhone XS Max and the iPhone XR. Now, they were kind enough to email me, give me these cases. I would have got this video out a little bit earlier, but there's been delay. There was a delay in one of the cases being delivered. Why they didn't come together, that's also another story. But, you know, I don't know if that's been a problem this year, but a lot of people has been getting their packages slightly delayed during this holiday season. But they got here. I promised them I'd get this video out, so here it is. Now, I do have them. They come in a multitude of colors. You can get them in a black, dark blue. They have what they call an air red, which is this one. You got a lime green, a light purple, light yellow. They got a mint, pink, a rose red, sand pink, and a crystal one. But I got the two, and I'm going to give it a quick look. Also, their cases also come with screen protectors, so that's a cool thing. This case is on sale for $16.99. If you know somebody who's getting an iPhone, you can have it ordered. If you, depending on when you watch this video, you can have it ordered and probably make it to you before Christmas. And if not, it'll surely make it to them after Christmas as a nice present for their new iPhones, for those of you who have family members that might be getting it. Nice packaging. Again, it does come with a screen protector. Now, the cool thing about this case, the company says that it's durable up to a 2-meter drop. I don't know how much testing they've done. That's another story. But here's the screen protector stuff. Does have a microfiber cloth interior to help protect the phone from scratches. It does have the Jasbon emblem on the inside. Very similar to the more expensive iPhone cases that cost $49, I think. Only problem is the bottom cutout is usually missing on those more expensive ones, whereas this one does have a bottom cutout for that protection. 10S Max. Nice look on it. Real clean. Do have the normal ports, and it is recessed. The camera's the case sits up far enough to help keep the camera recessed, so you don't have to worry about damaging it. All the port openings are there and on point, so there shouldn't be any problems. Check out the volume rockers. Now these are really smooth. So a lot of these cases, sometimes the volume rocker needs a little bit of time to break in, but this is on point. Now, the only little drawback is it is a very small opening for your do not disturb port, but you can get your finger in there, but I wish it was a slightly, maybe a mil or two bigger. I do have a screen tempered glass on there, so it is working well with it. The lip is recessed. This is a real nice case. This is their really red, or what would they call this one again? Their air red. Not quite a product red. That product red really stands out, but that's a real nice case. All right, let's check out the other one. Now, this is for the XR. I did get it in black. And this one does come with a screen protector. All right, it does have the microfiber interior. And again, according to Jasbon, it does have a 2-meter fall, which is pretty much up to 6 feet drop protection. Black look real nice and stealthy. Buttons are on point and spongy. Does have the lip protection. And I don't know if you can tell because it's a black on black phone. The speaker ports are on point and open. It does have lip protection. You can lay face down. And by the way, both of these are wireless charging working cases. Let's check it out. As you can see, no problem. So again, these cases are $16.99. I will leave the links and everything down below. If you have any questions, please also leave that down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out of here.